Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be replacing the hot water pipe on my Bosch tankless water heater model 2400. So first thing I do is take the cover off. I've got two access screws on the bottom that I have to undo to take the cover off. Okay, next thing I did is I shut off the cold water supply. I've got the hot water still on, but I opened one of the faucets for the hot water line just to drain it out. So I'll let the system drain. I'm going to turn off power, unplug it, and take the control panel off. Okay, I got the control panel off, and this is the reason why I'm going to replace the hot water pipe. You can see it's corroded, and I've got a little water leak down there. So I'm replacing that pipe. Okay, I'm going to start by removing the sensor and this sensor. I don't know what this sensor is. I looked on the parts diagram, I can't find it, to do a little bit more digging. But this is a temperature sensor. So remove those two sensors. They just kind of pop off. That. Okay. Then next thing I'm going to do is remove this clip. Okay, that spring just came off with my hands. I got an adjustable wrench. I'm loosening this nut now. The other thing I did is I came down and loosened this, allow water to drip out in a little catch pan before I proceeded. So I continue to take this nut off. I can hear water here getting in the system, and water kind of dripping out. Just about got it. Just untidy it with my hand. There's a little bit of water dripping. And pulling down in this section. Looks like I'm going to have to rotate it. Okay, there we go. So I'll clean this up and put the new pipe in. Make sure I get some new O-rings. And I'll use O-ring lube. Alright, now I'm taking this union off so I can gain access to this coupling. Alright, so I just removed that clip too. There's your retaining clip. Once you do that, this part slides out. So I've got a new one of these top parts, and I'll connect that to my union. I'm going to come up here, come back and clean that area out. Okay, so this is the new parts that I ordered. This is the new hot water pipe. Comes with a new clip and a couple of washers, O-ring. This is the new connector. Take the union off here, and the new connector came with couple of washers and retaining clip. Okay, so I got everything off. I got the new pipe on. I'm noticing that the new pipe doesn't match the old pipe. So I'll put it on and I'll see if it fits. Here's where the O-ring goes on that pipe. It's actually up here in this section. Clean that out some, that section down there. And I'll put the O-ring, take this O-ring off, put the new one on, put some O-ring lube, and assemble it. Okay, so I went ahead and put it back on. Just use the new part, put this clip on, and put this new retaining clip down here on. So I got a new O-ring here and new washer right there. Now I'm going to seal up the water lines, connect the union down here, seal up the water lines, and test it out. Alright, I got the union joined up, and now I'm going to turn the water on. So this is the hot water line. Open that up. Now I'm going to turn on the cold water. Oh, you know what? I turned the hot water off. Alright, so now I got the hot water turned on. I'm looking for leaks. Looks good. So now I'll button the panel back up and turn on, power it back on, turn on the unit, and look for leaks then. Okay, I've got the hot water, I got the power plugged in, the hot water line turned on, no leaks. So job was a success.